Think and Grow Rich is one of the best-selling business books in the history of printed press. It's where a very wealthy man interviewed 500 other really wealthy men to find out what it takes to be successful and immensely rich if that's what you want to do. Interested? Of course you are. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. In this video, I'll be summarizing one of the greatest self-help books of all time, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. I strongly recommend that you purchase this book, whether on Audible or in written form. In the meantime though, today you're going to get this entire marvelous book summarized into around 10 minutes. Think and Grow Rich is without a doubt one of the finest self-help books ever written. What's so special about it? It gathers together insights from some of history's most brilliant minds, including John D. Rockefeller, who was the world's wealthiest individual in his time, and Andrew Carnegie, the largest steel magnate. It was written by Napoleon Hill, who spent over 30 years quizzing these great men in order to discover what made them successful. The video is a condensation of the 238 pages and 14 overarching principles from these 500 great men into a concise summary of just over 10 minutes. Hey, make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification buttons if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel. In order to achieve great things, we need to use the power of our subconscious mind. This will help us reach our goals, whether it is acquiring wealth or something else. Now, why do we need to do that? Well, we all have two minds inside of us, the conscious and the subconscious. However, the subconscious mind is much more powerful than the conscious mind. This is because the subconscious mind can do many things at once, while the conscious mind can only do one thing at a time. The subconscious mind is comparable to the size of the Milky Way, whereas the conscious mind is like that of a microwave oven. It's extremely potent, with computational capabilities millions of times greater than those possessed by the conscious mind. In order to achieve your goals, you need to harness the power of your subconscious mind by programming it with what you want. And how do we do this? By programming it with the goal we want. It is not easy to program the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is different from the conscious mind. Our subconscious mind is more powerful than our conscious mind, but our conscious mind is still in control. This means that we can control what our subconscious mind does by using our conscious mind. The subconscious mind is like a garden. The conscious mind is the gardener who takes care of it. The conscious mind is planting the seeds, while the subconscious is working to make those seeds grow. We need to understand that our subconscious mind is always working. For most people, this means that it is working against them. If your thoughts are filled with negativity, fear, poverty, and failure, your subconscious mind will make those thoughts a reality for you. This means that it is working against you. If you think positively about riches and success, your subconscious mind will help you achieve those things. The subconscious mind does not distinguish between positive or negative. It will take whatever thoughts and emotions you think and feel and get busy making them a reality, whether positive or negative. How can we create a strong desire in ourselves that will help us achieve our goals? Well, here are the 5 keys to do exactly that. Number 1. Have a very clear goal. First, we need to be clear about our purpose. We need to have a goal that we want to achieve. The clearer the purpose or goal, the easier it is to get there. Only when we are clear about a goal can we progress that goal into our subconscious mind. Number 2. The power of auto-suggestion. Auto-suggestions are a way to tell yourself what you want. You need to know what you want and then keep saying it to your subconscious mind over and over again. You should do this every day so that you can keep getting better and better at it. Number 3. Use the power of emotions. When you set goals, it is not enough to just think about what you want to achieve. You also need to think about how you will feel when you reach your goal. This will help motivate you to achieve your goal. The subconscious mind understands emotions, but not thoughts without emotion. This means that if you want to make a change in your life, you need to feel the emotion of the change you want to make, not just think about it logically. In order to program your subconscious mind, you need to use language that involves emotions. You have to feel the emotions in order for the programming to work. If you keep feeling positive, you will attract more positive thoughts and feelings. You need to program your subconscious with positive and empowering thoughts, emotions, and feelings. This will help to minimize the inflow of negativity. If we do that often, we can unlock our subconscious mind. Number 4. The power of visualization. The next key to programming your subconscious mind is visualization. In order to program our subconscious mind, we must see and feel the goal as if it is already accomplished. This means you should act like you have what you desire, even if you don't have it yet. Think about what you would do if you had already achieved your goal. How would you feel? What would you do next? If you want to make $1 million by December 31 of next year, think about yourself on December 31 having already accomplished that goal. Don't think of it as something you would like to do in the future. You can feel like it is December 31 of next year right now. You have already accomplished a goal. This is really important, so you should watch this part a few times over. It has more wisdom than you may immediately realize. Number 5. Persistence and repetition. The fifth key to programming your subconscious mind is persistence and repetition. So, what is the benefit of being able to harness the power of your subconscious mind? Endless repetition of your desire, mixed with positive emotions and faith, is what will help you achieve whatever you want in life, as Napoleon Hill says. No matter what is happening in the world, we must keep thinking positive thoughts over and over. We must program our subconscious mind to think positively. There is one powerful strategy that makes the 5 steps above automatic. This strategy is to burn the boats. Do you know the story of the Spanish conquistador Hernán Cortés? When Hernán Cortés's warships arrived on the Aztec Empire, he planned to fight the Aztecs and conquer that part of Mexico. However, he realized that his army was vastly outnumbered, and he realized his soldiers were thinking about retreating. To get the best out of his soldiers and help them win, he ordered them to burn their boats. The soldiers knew that they only had 2 options: win or die. There was no other way out. This knowledge created a burning obsession inside of them to win and live. That is why his army won the war, even though they were outnumbered by a lot. When we are in a difficult situation, the subconscious mind can help us find a way to survive. In those situations, we become unstoppable. Many great entrepreneurs have credited difficult moments for turning their businesses around. Now, in the modern world, it's not always a good idea to burn your boats or burn your bridges. Another way to do that is to create real deadlines with real consequences if the goal is not accomplished. The key is to find a way to create a burning obsession, which leads you to be almost obsessively thinking of the goal. You need that fire. You need that obsession. You need that in order to program your subconscious mind, and that is what will trigger you to greatness. So that is the summary of the great book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. The main points are: tap into the power of the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is not enough. Master the 5 keys to mastering your subconscious mind, and create your burning obsession that will literally make you unstoppable. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. If you'd like to learn more about the nature of this business, subscribe now and click on the notification bell to be updated with my latest uploads. To create is effort. To copy is genius. Albert Einstein. If you want to expand your income by engaging with some side hustles, feel free to contact. We'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.